Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel, to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Delta Airlines Boeing 737-932ER with winglets. Currently wearing the Onward and Upward livery Delta Airlines has had since 2007. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. This aircraft is powered by two CFM International CFM56 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 27,000 pounds force or 120 kilonewtons at full power. This aircraft can carry anywhere from 177 to 220 passengers, depending on layout and class mixture. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 453 knots or 838 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 3,000 nautical miles or 5,600 kilometers with a standard load on board. This 737 was initially delivered to Delta Airlines from the Boeing factory in Renton, Washington on March 30th of 2016, wearing the current Delta livery known as Onward and Upward. The aircraft received its current registration of November 856 Delta November. This 900 model 737 is not only an extended range model, but also has, since it was delivered, the Boeing Scimitar style winglets for extra range performance. Since delivery, this aircraft has been performing cross-country and international flights around North America reliably and without notable incident. The only interruption to its service with Delta Airlines was when it was temporarily stored at the Mojave aircraft boneyard from May to June of 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft released in 2023. Our sources show that this is currently the only production run in any scale from any company of this model. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available to all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get more views, and more complete views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.